Hello everyone, welcome to In 5 Minutes. In this video we are going to see the next problem on type 3. So this is our question. If you see in this question we have e raised to minus x sine 2x and x square plus x term. So this is nothing but is of the form type 1, this is of type 2 and this is of type 3. So this question is combination of type 1, type 2 and type 3. So the solution for this equation is nothing but y equal to yc plus yp. Yc will remain the same, but the calculation of yp will differ for this part, will differ for this part and will differ for this part. So yp we will calculate individually for e raised to minus x sine 2x and x square plus x. But yc will remain the same. For yc we need an auxiliary equation which will be nothing but f of d equal to 0. What is f of d? F of d is nothing but this part. So f of d is d cube plus 2d square plus d equal to 0. If I take d common from all these three terms, we will get d into d square plus 2d plus 1 equal to 0. So this part is nothing but d plus 1 the whole square equal to 0. So our roots are d equal to 0 and d equal to minus 1 and d equal to minus 1. Because it is d plus 1 the whole square, so d minus 1 is repeated twice. In that case yc is nothing but c1 e raised to m1x. m1 in our case is 0, so e raised to 0x plus d equal to minus 1 is repeated twice, so we will have two constant c2 plus c3 and c3 will be multiplied by x, e raised to m2x. In our case m2 is minus 1, so this will become c1. Anything raised to 0 is nothing but 1 plus c2 plus c3x into e raised to minus x. So this is our yc. After this we will calculate yp. The general equation for yp is nothing but 1 upon f of d into x. In our case f of d is d cube plus 2d square plus d into e raised to minus x plus sine 2x plus x square plus x. So now first we will consider only this part. So we will get e raised to minus x upon d cube plus 2d square plus d can be represented as d into d plus 1 the whole square. So if you can see this is nothing but of the form type 1. And in type 1 we will replace d by a. In our case a is nothing but minus 1. So we will replace d by minus 1. Here it is a, which is minus 1. So e raised to minus x will remain as it is into, when we replace d by minus 1, this d is not creating any problem. So we will write as minus 1. When we substitute d equal to minus 1 in this equation, it will become minus 1 and plus 1, which will be equal to 0. In that case, our solution will be x raised to r upon r factorial. What is r? R is the power of this term. The power of this term is 2. So x square upon 2 factorial. So this will be nothing but x square e raised to minus x. 2 factorial is 2 and this minus 1 will be minus. Sign will be in the numerator. So the solution for this part is this. Then we will consider this term and sine 2x. So in this case we get sine 2x upon d cube plus 2d square plus d. So in this we will replace d square by minus a square. So what is a? In our case a is nothing but 2, so a square is 4, so we will replace d square by minus 4. So our this term will be represented as sine 2x upon, instead of d cube we can write as d square into d, and here d square will be represented by minus 4 and this d will remain as it is plus 2. This d square will be represented as minus 4 plus d. So if we calculate this, we will get sine 2x upon minus 4 into d. 4 into 2 is 8 and plus into minus is minus plus d. So this will become sine 2x upon minus 4d plus d is nothing but minus 8 minus 3d. If I take minus sign from the denominator common, I will get minus sine 2x upon 8 plus 3d. Since d is in the denominator and it is 8 plus 3d, we used to take the conjugate of this, that is 8 minus 3d. We multiply and divide by 8 minus 3d. So we will get this term as here as minus sine 2x into 8 minus 3d, and denominator is nothing but a plus b into a minus b, which will be a square minus b square. So it will be 8 square minus 3d the whole square. After this, I have told you whenever d is in the numerator, first we take the derivative of x term and then we will apply the rule. So here we have, if we take this sine 2x inside the bracket, we will get 8 sine 2x minus this minus and this minus will become plus. This 3 will remain as it is, and d into sine 2x is nothing but derivative of sine 2x. What is derivative of sine 2x? It is nothing but cos 2x, and the derivative of 2x is 2. So this will be 3 into 2 cos 2x. So this part will become minus 8 sine 2x plus 3 into 2 is 6 cos 2x upon the denominator. 3 square is 9, so 9d square upon 8 square minus 9d square. So we are considering this part.